This is the memorial to World War I. And then over there is the Franklin Institute, and we're gonna go check it out now. And it has like a bunch of Universal characters. Right here is a statue of Ben Franklin, and we're at Ben Franklin Institute, and it's a museum, and that's kid friendly, and it has a lot of fun things to do. Ben Franklin is one of the founding fathers of America. Like smelling dropping. So
Athletes, take your mark. Ready, set, go! Hang on your seats, ladies and gentlemen. This is something special. Whoa. Athletes, take your mark. Ready, set, go! We have a winner. right down there is Pendulum, and actually I think it goes higher than this, like it starts higher than the roof. And if you check out my France videos, you would see a pendulum at the Pantheon. So check out my France videos. This is for his invention of bifocals, and it was because he got tired of switching for two different glasses. And if you don't know what that is, it's so the top part is far away, and the bottom part is for like reading and seeing close up. This is the Amazing Machines exhibit. Here's the car game like the thing. I don't know what this is. Oh. This is interesting. I'm gonna try this. Oh, dang it, doesn't attach. Okay, let's try this again. I love these machines. I find them to be so satisfying. Just watching them like go around. Okay, so this is really cool. It's controlled by these. So I'm gonna put this forward, and see how it moves. Okay, so I'm gonna open that, and then I'm going to make it go down, and then I'm gonna it's like a claw machine. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna make it grip. Oh wait, oops, I have to make it go up. Oops, there we go. And I actually picked up something. Yay! It may have taken me 5 minutes, but I still picked it up. Okay, so there's this machine, and you have to stamp this. So that's how many I stamped, and that's a total 6. And and so you use these for this is the belt speed, and this is that speed, and you have to see how many discs you can stamp. So and then I'm gonna try making this go slow. And let's see how that works. Ooh, wait, that's actually really good. Wait, that's actually really smart. That was. Oh wait, I only stamped one. There were 3 discs. So you do this, and then there's the ball, and you have to bring the ball up there, I think. And this makes a terrible squeaking noise. There. Yeah, I don't really know how this works. Oh wait, the ball's right there. Hold on, let me try getting it in the hole. Oh, I did it! And now it's back to the bottom. This is space, Wondrous Space. And it says, if you thought space was empty, think again. Is
different colors you see accounts for the varied ages of stars in her life cycles.
I really like this thing, where so you have this, and there's meteoroids that you can put into like your circle thing. See, watch. Oh, it's in there now. Yeah, see, they just keep adding, and then over here you can walk and get a planet. Look, I've got the planet. Hee hee. And now I'm getting there. Oh, or not. It won't come with me. Oh, that's too bad. Okay. Oh, it won't come with me anyway. So, yeah, this is fun. I'm in, I think it's called Body. Yeah, it's Body Odyssey. Make a pattern.
I am a PhD student at the University of Pennsylvania.
Oh, cool. So you can make a pattern. Oh, wow, you can like change the colors. There's like this. Oh, look. assisted surgery skills. Okay. Robots. Okay, control the robotic arm to pull a peg away from the wall. That. Oh, I can see that. I have to move them both at the same time. So how do I record this? I think that's good. Okay. That's not forward. There we go. Oh. This is talking about the heart. Or no, just about this heart. So you follow the path of blood. Oh, that's what I did. And I learned about this in science class. It was someone apparently that's twice as tall as the Statue of Liberty. So we're following the blood. Okay, so then there's this. I don't really understand it. There's a tube. This is the right atrium. This is the heart's front door, the entrance for blood that needs a fresh dose of oxygen. Veins bring in blood from the upper body, the lower body, and the heart itself. Tricuspid valve. This is the main pulmonary artery. And here's inside the lungs. Steps. That's the oxygen. That's where the oxygen is exchanged, I think. Now we're leaving the lung. We're re-entering the heart, I think. This is the left atrium, right here. This is the left ventricle now. And this is the muscular and circulatory systems. Look, you can see where my hand goes. And then you can see my other hand holding the camera. I'm guessing this is all the systems, so that's like the veins, I think, and the bones. How the systems work together, I think. And then this is the skeletal and muscular systems. That's my skeleton and my muscles. Hey, wait, you can see where I move my legs. That's cool. So this is motor skills, sensory processing, childhood, spatial pattern awareness, language development, memory development, and adolescence. I think that's when you're a teenager. Social development, coping with stress, and adulthood is planning and coordinating, and judgment and reason. Right there, well, the last thing I'm going to show you today is the Wright brothers airplane model, and this museum was probably one of the best top 5 museums I've ever been to, and I didn't want to leave, but unfortunately we have a long drive.